Welcome to your Vahchef mini-me videos. Short, simple and super tasty. Today's recipe is Sambar with Sambar Powder. At the end, you have 5 tips from your Vahchef. The aroma is just awesome. It's blissful. It's godly. And with every bite, you got to say, Vareva. This mouth-watering, delicious Sambar is almost everyday recipe in lot of South Indian homes. For making this, first, you got to use Toor Dal. Sometimes you can also add some chana dal. Add a pinch of turmeric with it. Cook the dal till it is nice and soft. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. While the mustard seeds dance in the oil to crackle, add jeera, curry leaf, red chilli, green chillies. Add onions, add sambar onion and sauté it. These sambar onion, what we call shallots, will give the absolute perfect taste for the sambar. In this, add pinch of turmeric, hing, add salt and also add the vegetables. Today we have cut this beautiful pumpkin, radish, drumstick, brinjal, and I'm also adding some pieces of mango. Saute these vegetables and add tomatoes, chilli powder, coriander powder. I am using homemade sambar powder, but you can also use store-bought sambar powder. Add the tamarind juice. This tamarind juice will delicately cook these vegetables till they are nice and juicy. Add water. When the whole mixture gives you the very sweet flavor, add the Toor Dal and also pinch of Jaggery. Finish it off by adding some chopped coriander leaves. But there is another method. A lot of people in South India love to add this grated coconut and mix it well and serve it, and here comes the most delicious sambar. Now enjoy 5 tips for making good sambar. You can also use other dals for making sambar like chana dal, moong dal, masoor dal, and you can use any other dals for making it. Tip number 2. Cut vegetables in the same size for even cooking. Adding jaggery will enhance your sambar. Always make sure your mustard seeds crackle to get the best flavor out. There are so many souring agents for making sambar, and if you do not want to use tamarind, you can always use raw mango, extra tomatoes, kokum, lemon juice. Every household has their specialty sambar. Today you have seen how very simply you can modify those beautiful vegetables into juicy and in sambar. For the sambar, always some well cooked rice. In this, with all these vegetables, look at this, wow. Now in this, dip your fingers and take a bite. Dear friends, the aroma is just awesome. It's blissful, it's godly, and with every bite, you got to say, Vareva. The pumpkin, the brinjal, the drumstick, the radish, and the beautiful sambar onions melting. When the food is amazing, you got to say, Vareva.